If you see issues like no internet connection when you're trying to download any filter or effect or any other resources in CapCut, it is because your ISP or your network provider has banned access to CapCut server because they and TikTok have the same server. So let's see how we can fix this. We can easily fix this by downloading a VPN for your desktop. Now, a browser VPN will not work, so just get a free VPN. You can go to this protonvpn.com. I'll have this link in the description below, and just click on download and click on auto detect the right version for your device, and it will auto detect your version here. Since I'm on Windows, it is showing download for Windows. Just click on this and click on Windows 11/10 x64. If you are on ARM64, you'll have to choose this. If you want to know if you're on x64 or ARM64, check out the video in the description below. And if you are on a mobile device, you can search for Thunder VPN in Google Play Store. As you can see, this is available in Play Store for free, and you can install this in your mobile device and run this, and you will have your VPN running for all your applications and CapCut, and then you'll be able to download any audio or any other resource in CapCut. So if you're on desktop, download this. Once this is downloaded, you can just click on open file and install this. Click on next, and you can uncheck all these things because you don't need all these things. We just need Proton VPN. Click on install, and this will be installed. Once this is installed, you can just create an account if you don't have an account, or just sign in, and you'll be taken to sign up page in your browser. Here, just click on sign up for free. Don't choose any of these plans unless you want to pay them. You can choose any one of these if that's the case. For me, I'll just click on sign up for free. Click on continue with free VPN. Create your account. Once your account is created, just sign in with the newly created account. Once you're inside, just click on connect, and it will connect to any of the free servers available, and then you'll be able to use CapCut. So as you can see, I am connected to the Japan server. If I click on change server, it will connect to another one of either USA or France. So there are 5 free server locations available inside Proton VPN, and now you will be able to use CapCut for free, and you will have fixed the no internet connection problem in your CapCut. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.